What does it mean to be truly responsible? To face the elements and remain in control. To rise above fear and act when it matters most. Responsibility isn't given, it's built through discipline, knowledge, and relentless training. Every wave, every drill, every decision shapes character. Each challenge prepares those who will lead when the world depends on them. At Novikontas, we train people to act with precision, courage, and purpose. To stay calm when others hesitate. To create safety where others see risk. Novikontas, where confidence is earned and responsibility begins.